Osaki Emperor II. AI health detection reads your body first for more precise, personalized comfort. Immersive audio draws you in and deepens the sense of relaxation. The heating system delivers a soothing warmth that helps ease built-up tension. 4D massage and heated back rollers work together for precise, comforting relief. Calf heat and deep kneading help loosen fatigue and restore comfort below the knees. The SL track follows your body's curve for smoother, more complete coverage. 42 air cells gently surround the body, creating a balanced compression experience from shoulder to foot. Eases built-up shoulder tension. Supports the arms in comfort. Adds balanced comfort at the hips. In the calves and feet, compression and 3 specialized rollers work together for more complete relief. The footrest automatically extends up to 6.5 inches for a more tailored fit. With voice control, comfort listens and responds.
Yes, how can I assist?
3-stage zero gravity lets you settle into the level of comfort that feels just right. With just 3.2 inches from the wall, premium comfort fits beautifully into place. Quick access control keeps comfort right at your side. Built-in wireless charging keeps convenience close at hand. With 16 auto programs and 6 manual modes, comfort adapts to the way you want to unwind. Ambient light settles the room into a softer, more refined mood. Osaki Emperor II.